This is a test of the brass 252 generator. It's a generator using 3/16 tubing, 3/16 brass tubing with an inner diameter of somewhere in the neighborhood of 0.12 inches. I have no clue because it's really hard to measure. I don't have gauge pens, so I just use a drill bit. And it's smaller than an 1/8 inch inner diameter, which Online Metals told me that it would be larger than an 1/8 inch inner diameter, so I have no clue what this is. It's definitely larger than 0.109 inch inner diameter, but it's smaller than an 1/8. So here we go. You can note the candle flame coming from the flare. It does that when it's starting because the flare does not fit very well onto the flare fitting. I suspect this is due to the undersized tubing, and it can be rectified simply by swaging out the tubing. The generator is currently not pulsing. As the lantern continues to heat up, the generator often will begin to pulse, as you will begin to see soon. Let us attempt to increase the pressure in order to resolve the flickering issue. Even with the increased pressure, the lantern continues to flicker and pulse. In fact, the flickering and pulsing may be worse with the increased pressure. Let us now shut down the lantern to see how well that works. The valve is now closed. While the lantern shuts down similarly to with the original aluminum generator, it shuts down far faster compared to the original aluminum generator. Another observation I have made is that on the first startup, the generator shot a stream of fuel into the mantle and poked 2 very large holes in it. This may just be user error, but it may also be due to the apparent higher operating pressure of this smaller generator. Thank you for watching this video.